YouTube. As you can see, we're currently in Zimbabwe, and it's another day, another Zola. So yeah, guys, basically what's gonna be happening in today's vlog is we're gonna go and try one of the best restaurants. As you know, guys, you didn't remove KFC. As you can see, I mean, chicken in Vegasin and stuff. So what's happening today is it's Monday, and I think everyone got paid, and the pressure iripo because in the line even bekugara patorina. So I was like, why in the shingirisa kumira line 100? Okay, even chicken in yacho. What if I go and try another restaurant it's not publishing because it's not like my restaurant has Kushana and stuff, or it's not like Kushan Rangos. So that's what I've been up to now. This is Chinangwa Cheguru content, but that's what, why not? So today I'm going to join a seat, and I want to try one of the best restaurants. And I got up on TikTok, you didn't join a seat. And I forgot the name, but I'm gonna show you the name. So yeah, why not? Go with me, let's go. Isa Asambi. Timono wono ti say famba. And supera say famba say era say. Ine zamana topatiri nako. Tukwenda kunozanzi ku Saints and Sinners restaurant. So yeah, let's go and check it. What's popping? Tone kuti zvinopera sei. So yeah, let's go. Guys, onai great man akuridza apo yo. Great man. I just wish you do meet an interview one day. Anyways, let's go. We're entering inside. So I guess that's the first drink. It's costing $2. I'm gonna 50 cents on my Swiss, $2. So we're gonna drink this one first. Takamira the main meal, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes. So make sure you stay tuned to like the video. Why did you end? I mean, I say pap watch the ads. So that's the place. It looks good though, but you will need other time this month. There's how this was something we need to do. In the name of designing. Anyways, guys, let's wait for the food and see what's popping, what's going on. Stay tuned. Guys, now we have a big. Do you know which guy says big? I did that to be shabby. Proper name a big. I feel like they're in drama. But anyways, let's try. So that's the outcome, guys. Don't you mind does it like this? I'm also the best. So guys, we just start eating. Pizza much. Chirega sure what's next. Look, I won't order kana kabia kana kai. Yes, just to appreciate myself, man. Anyways, stay tuned. And guys, lazogaya. The end of order, I know the blow job at United. Yoish. The E. So yeah, let's order the blow job and see what's popping. Peace out. So guys, you can miss 4 hours. Let me drink it and I'll tell you what happened. Look at blow job culture. Service was 2 out of 10, guys. Imagine that I had to wait for the shoot for hours. La pesa kudya ndasvika pakuzvanzana china mugare momo. Ameno wait achinanga achidzingeera chiari momo. Guys, I don't wanna lie. The food was 8 and then the service was 2 out of 10. In fact 1. Yo, that was crazy, bro. This one is talented. Great man. Very talented man. Bye, Jema. Mayo achingo Jema. Zeta Sara Jema. Arushita vanatoka na 7 kineoka. Vachiona na vareso. Vanatoka na chifayo. They vachiona na vareso. One man is so talented. Like for you. So guys, use the plug. Remunhu munotengeswa ma glass, inogaswa mafoni. But I don't know if it's a phone now shatter glass, and then after that I wanna look for a mic. My mic's the much tripod. Do those shy, I'm telling you some man. Imagine. Do those shy. My mic's the much tripods. Anyways, we're going inside this building. I'm not shitty, but yeah, inside. Too much going them now. LCD, everything. My phone, don't know which one. What's the first change? Yeah, that's the old one. Yeah, I guess quite double, or not. But yeah, that's the old one. I'm gonna guess quite shutter glass. And then to garage is quite chonzi. Check dark in a English. Check tinta glass. Okay. Let's get changes. So man, as you can see, when the camera quality is better now, but the shutter glass rangara kusachina pa camera quality. It's the front camera anyway, but yeah, better. So now let's go and check tripod. Nema mics. Those are Sarah managers, so I won't tell me some sorrow. But anyways, let's just hope to Joanna, so that tunokupa content Gucci, my smash or pass, my blind dates, my pop the balloon, find love. Everything content yes say but Joes are but you can only do that can my mics a tripod stand myself. So let's go and see what's popping. Thank you. Because the light is a marigold. Can't connect any Bluetooth. Okay. Yeah, no, and go to Jero with a marigo my yesterday. So guys, tripod, Radura tripod. Sometimes it's worth it investing in content because do basari. Masina akachipa anga ari profit but ndakuona kuti ndochororo. So yatazongopinzira po nezazongopinzira ronchi tripod kwasara kwana ma mics. So let's go and check for my mics so zvinopera sei. So more content to come. Guys, lift yandaona. Amsari mambeona. Ndatochka kupinda lift moment ndega. Because it's so old, guys, like don't know what's stuck. Let me try to use it too. Everything about Zima man. It's fucked up. Yo, look at the buildings. Kagora. Yeah, same for you. This is the lift another guys. Voilà. Look how it is. Hey, old patterns like wait and see inside the one. I may get stuck. I don't know. Wait. Icho. And which kakona kwana mune munhu ndichivlog. Kuna zvakadaro man. Wait for it to open more. The building is so old like. Zvododaro. Kochapurira zero. Look guys. Oh. Look how old it is guys. I don't even know how to operate it. My was wrong with you. Ha! Kuenda kastaka nemwari ndinodzani komudoma. Todzari muna ndikastaka. Ah chako. Chavana chega mone mabhata nacho man. Munai. Munai. Kumagisa kaenda. Nai mwari. Thanks. Merabasa. Anza atuba kujoin. Wananga tovhara. Yanza dzikenda kujoina city. Oh, thank you. Namboni mbotenga mahewo. I'm not mtemo wekuti a brown 50 cents and then a white 70 cents wakabva kupi. But anyways, masina ndikuda type yachinakadai so. Aiza but ari kusiyana manje according ne quality sound. Zanga ndimbotedza ndimboona kuti. We are promising mabiravira, as you can see. We are promising mabiravira. We are promising mabiravira. You use your money to do as if you have more money. I use mine to make more money. We are different, my brother. Man will spend, no regret. Okay, man. So now we're doing unboxing. Anbololo. Don't worry, go. Panap. Hard work. Guys, nemo naganye better than taking a tripod in my mics. Guys, people they just want attention and also that. But anyways, this is the remote. As you can see, this remote you use it to don't get the tripod to go then. Go buy a remote. You see. Blue lighter. Ubeka remote. No vya ngotira picture yega. O kutora ino zichi. Video yega. Karukozore Bluetooth. Tripod. New one. As you can see, that's the thing. It looks like a gun, bruh. Hey, look at the quality, bruh. A lot of dollars. So this is how it works. You open, then like so, then you lock. So depending on that what it record say. Then kunoku kana kuti uivhure makumbo. You scroll here and then utorivhura like this. Like this. Okay. I don't revare. We're the same. Okay. So it's like this. Open, close like this. So let's open a bit and then tosunga pana. Chirungu. We are promising mabiralira. Okay, so our nomira but noda. Sorry, unpinging like this. Daiso and then to daiso. Right. As you can see, ramiroswa patinoda pararebesa toridai so futi. So there's this thing ndochepadenda chinenge pafoni ichi, so chinorotetwa I think. So phone is panaka. Okay, so we scroll it here like this. Chirungu boss. Okay, then like this. So as you can see, now you can put your phone here or here if you want it to tilt like this. Or how should I so? Diwe. 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 So your phone will be sitting here, as you can see, like this. Okay, and then unboxing the mics. Okay. We are promising mabvira here. Let's unbox so much in there. So guys, thank you for watching the ads like this to unbox. So by the way, chocolate was so what I share with you. So these are the mics. So we remove it. Dominica feather. We remove again. Dominica feather. Food also. Two butter maple. You understand? And then agag. Don't want to figure out my phone. So let's try it out. Let's test. Guys. Okay, let me do like this so that I don't know check back here. Okay. On gang. 1 2 1 2. Okay. Itu bola kana go back here. Icho on. So let's turn one off. So let's put the, what do you call it, air filter. It's connected now. Tell me if the sound is different now, because now it's connected already. I think so. So let's put this here. Hey, let me make thumbnail. Okay, let me make my thumbnail. This is how we make thumbnails. Okay, chona serious at us row after man. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 and we're gonna karu. So do want to trap a sound maple 1 2 1 2. What's good YouTube to baby that's good to do back to my YouTube channel. Today I beg the banger. Get into the What's good YouTube? This is your boy Praise that's good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back to the banger. So yeah, as you can see, this is how we do it. Wait, let me see. But it go my couple switch phones. This is how we do it. Teta like now. And then you'll be talking with Sean Washita. Sound maybe we have to put this inside. I don't know. Let me see. What if we do it like this? So that you get. What do you think, guys? Do you think this way is okay? Or the way we should boost up? I don't know. But anyways, guys, I think so far do my mics at the thing, man. I don't know if you can hear me clearly. But why my mics at a tenga.
Anyways guys, I bet guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. If you have enjoyed, please make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe for more. You understand? 1 2 1 2 1 2. Anyways, more content to come. The team read all my collaborations there, but and then free of charge. Tishimanye, Maizia, my switching phones, my couple switching phones, blind dates, pop the balloon, find love and stuff. You're gonna find it. Bano. So this is a message to all content creators. If you wanna participate in blind date, couples are finding love, what, smash your pass, this and that, come look for free promo. Wait shanda mana. For this only, wait shande. Wada kutanga kuuraisa futhi wait shande. Kuchipupa the stuff. So I beg guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. It's off.